Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one-pot rice and beans. Heat up a wide pan. An enameled cast iron pan like this works really well for this recipe. A little olive oil. When the oil's hot, add chopped yellow onion and chopped garlic. Saute just for a minute. Here I've got some chopped green bell pepper, red bell pepper, celery, and some celery leaves. Add all the vegetables to the pan. A little bit of coarse salt. Saute until soft. Takes just a few minutes. In the meantime, rinse your rice. It's been just 3 minutes. Vegetables are a little soft. Now we can add the rice. I'm using basmati rice. You can use any long grain rice. Saute the rice for about 4 minutes. Stir it often. You see the rice has gotten toasted after 4 minutes. Add salt, ground black pepper, and curry powder. Saute this for 2 minutes just to get the raw flavor out of the curry powder. I'm using a Jamaican curry powder. You can use whatever you have. It smells really good. There's a lot of turmeric in curry powder, and you don't want the raw taste of turmeric. Really need it to cook out. Now I'll add drained black-eyed peas. I love black-eyed peas. You can substitute red beans or black beans, whatever kind of beans you have on hand. Now I'll add chicken stock. You can also use vegetable stock or water. Just make sure whatever liquid you're using is very hot. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Now it's come to a full boil. Cover the pot, turn down the heat to medium-low, and cook until the rice is tender. If you want to add some protein, really simply and quickly, just get a can of sausages, heat them up, cut them up, and just mix them in after the rice is cooked. You can also add any other cooked meat. To keep the dish vegetarian, use vegetable stock or water. Add some veggie protein if you like. Check the rice to make sure it's cooked. And it's not. Needs 2 more minutes. The rice is cooked. Add some chopped parsley or cilantro. And it's ready to serve. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.